Hello Kid. Learn colorful alphabet. A for apple, P for ball. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cow. C for cow. D for drum. D for drum. E for egg. E for egg. F for flower. F for flower. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for snake. S for snake. T for turtle. T for turtle. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas-tree. X for Xmas-tree. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Z for zebra.